What's good? What's good? Welcome back to Invest and Trade with Jaxx. Hope you're doing well. Happy Monday. We're gonna go over our friend BTC. So let me adjust. My cord is a little bit caught up here. Bother. Get it together. Currently we're sitting at 26K. We're down 2% on the day. Sitting in market cap of 508 billion, 24 volume 11.27 billion. Hey, if you get any value out of this video, it goes a long way if you smash the like button for the YouTube algorithm. So we came down to our pullback zone, continuing to follow our analysis. So what I'm looking at is ABC into a W, X coming down in a wave Y. So if we can start to bounce from this pullback zone, then we'll start to look for a long trade, especially if we break that X-way high. And a signal will be given in the Discord if we do end up taking that trade. It's only $10 a month. You spend $10 every single day. Now, if we start to break 25.4K, which is a 78.6, and we start head towards the wave one, the beginning of the wave one, which is down here at 24.9, that would be bearish, and we're going to create a lower low. And if that does happen, it is what it is. We never took a trade, so we don't suffer any losses. But if we can start to get a reaction and we start to break that X wave high, that's when we can start to look for long positions. So we'll see how it plays out. Looking at this chart here on the daily, we're back underneath the daily EMAs. So if we do end up holding the pullback and we bounce, and we start to break this down sloping trend line, that will be the first signal, and a really strong signal if we get above 27.2. As I mentioned, if we end up losing the 78.6 and we break this low, it is what it is. You could easily come down to 23.8K, and we'll let price come down before looking for our trades. We'll wait for a bounce. But if we do get the bounce sooner than later and we start to get above key levels of resistance, that's when we'll look to enter a trade. DXY is just consolidating at major resistance. I'll show it to you guys for anyone that's new to the channel. On the daily chart, we have massive resistance in the zone that the DXY is currently sitting. So I do think there's a good chance we do see some pullback. Nothing is promised, but if that wave B pullback does come, that's when BTC would break out. If the DXY, we have 4 hours bearish D. If the DXY just pushes all the way up to 107, then yes, of course, BTC can break down. But I think there's a good chance we see some pullback with the DXY, which would lead to a bounce for BTC and a potential long trade. If we end up breaking this low, then 23K, 23.5, would be your next major level of support. Let me look at that once more. If we break that low, yeah, about 23.8K, and there's all the support ranges in between about 22K to 23.8. That would be your next major level for BTC. All right, gang. So my signals are given in the Discord for $10 a month. You really can't beat it. Or you can get a 14-day free trial if you sign up to BITUNIX. No KYC, no VPN for my US Canadian traders looking for an exchange. My subscribers only get a 20% bonus once they deposit in your futures account. So if you put $100, you get $20. If you put $1,000, you get $200. That's completely free money for my subscribers only. Otherwise, it's $10 a month to gain access to my VIP rooms, daily analysis for many crypto coins, my exact trade setups for crypto news, member profits, how to all place, Forex trade signals. We have lots of Forex setups ready to be entered once we cross confirmation. We're currently in trades for silver and gold. So lots of opportunities in the Discord. All links are down below in the comments. Make sure to smash the like button for the YouTube algorithm, and I'll see you in the next video. All right, much love. Take care.